Bluffers. Today is Tuesday, May 26th. Got a couple announcements for you. Happy birthday to Lincoln Harlow. Lincoln, happy birthday. Hope you are surrounded by your family and your favorite foods. Enjoy the day. My 8th graders, please make sure you check your email to make sure that you have the correct graduation time and pick up drop-off time for all of your things. To my 6th and 7th graders, if while you're cleaning out your school stuff, you come across a random book from the library or a book you borrowed from one of your teachers, please make sure you return it to the middle school. There will be a box out on the porch of the middle school so you can drop that off at any time. Today is also National Paper Plane Day. It's a perfect day to highlight a pair of my favorite socks. Fried chicken and waffles, and of course my paper airplane socks. Who doesn't love chicken and waffles and paper airplanes? So it also kind of reminds me of my 8th graders making paper planes all the time in art class and racing them out into the hallway. So kind of a fun, good memory. Hopefully it is for them as well. The other thing it reminds me of is a song a good friend of mine wrote. His name's John Condren, and thought it'd be cool for you to give it a listen.
It's a song called Paper Planes. I've devised a plan to get away. We can make it go now, any day. Cracks above the doorway bring me down. You are my accomplice. You've been brave enough to stick around. Your big ideas, that's my game. They don't fly right in the rain. Formulas perfected, but they're only paper planes. Paper planes. I could take good care of you, I know. We could watch the scenes unfold below, yeah. Folding my escape plans all the while. Sitting there and wondering, am I mad? Will the next one fly? The big ideas, that's my game. They don't fly right in the rain. Formulas perfected, but they're only paper planes. Hey. Paper planes. It must be hard for you, I know, to see me frustrated and low, yeah. So while my head is spinning round and round, we keep on listening closely. Best intentions might get off the ground. The big ideas, that's my game. They don't fly right in the rain. Keep listening closely. They won't just be paper planes. Nothing easy forces change. Yeah, yeah. It's crystal clear above the rain. Keep on hoping someday they won't just be paper planes. Hey. Paper planes. Paper planes. Well, I've devised a plan to get away.
All right, everybody, hopefully you have a wonderful rest of the day. I know we're getting close to the end of the school year here. It's our last few days. I just want to say, man, we really miss you. And I know this trimester has been difficult, but please remember how important it is to stay creative over the summer, whether it's music, art, dance, whatever it is. Stay creative over the summer, stay positive, stay strong, and hope we'll see you in the fall.
I've divided